Hey, I will in this video show how you can buffer a linear feature in QGIS. And I will do so using the drainage line as an example. Drainage lines is where surface water may flow after a heavy rain event, and for many reasons it may be beneficial to show these lines occupying an area. Linear feature is one-dimensional and do not occupy an area, but the buffer operation transforms the line to polygons and then area representations. So the buffer is one of the most common geoprocessing tools available. So that's maybe why it appears on the top from the vector entrance. It's also available from the toolbox. If we just search for buffer, it will pop up here. Starting it by double-clicking on it. So make sure that the drainage line is set here as input layer. And now we want to use here a buffer distance. And this is a distance applied on both the left and the right-hand side. So using a 10-meter buffer would create buffers of 20 meters width. So I want this drainage line to be 1 meter wide, so I need to set a buffer distance of 0.5 meter. Now there are other parameters you can set here. It's not needed for this. You can read about them here and in the help documentation. I just click run. And this ends up and it's appearing here as a scratch layer, hardly visible. For 1 meter is not very much, but here it appears. We can put it down under the drainage line, so you will see the effect here. And this should now be a 1 meter wide buffer, which is it.